So we are actually hosting the Fairfax County Carnival and 4-H Fair. It is a multi-day event, so we have all kinds of things from the carnival that you see behind me to all kinds of static exhibits and animal exhibits and animal shows.
We have our stage acts. We have the Mobile Learning Lab, which is by Virginia Tech, and it's an interactive lab where kids can go in and learn about actual life skills and things that go on. We have kids that are going to be in the lower ring with their horses. In the indoor arena, we have kids that will be showing their pigs, goats, and cows, and sheep as well. And then if you come down to the 4-H barn, we have all the static exhibits, food preservation, horticulture, clothing and textiles, all types of things like that going on in here, as well as the embryology exhibits.
We are celebrating the 75th 4-H Fair here at Frying Pan Farm Park. It is very special for us to be able to promote that we have hosted this event for 75 years on this property. The logistics of a 4-day event like this actually starts a year in advance. So it is a lot of planning. It's multi-agency preparation.
We have the logistics of the stage acts, getting the stage for them to perform on, marketing. We have the educational tables. We have to find the community partners and things like that for us to be able to have resources for the people that come to the fair to get more resources to them about other community activities and things that they can get involved in. It takes us about 9 to a good 12 months to plan this event, but it's fun.
You know, we definitely want people to remember that Fairfax County at one time was one of the largest dairy producing counties in the area. So for them to come and experience the youth of the county and what they're doing to keep those things alive is very important for us.
While you do see the agriculture while you're here on site, urban area can happen. It may look different, but we are still able to get those youth, those experiences, as well as being able to find community in 4-H and know that it's more than livestock, it's more than pigs, cows, and plows. It's all about growing the kids to be the best that they can be.
For more information, go to fairfaxcounty.gov/parks/fryingpanpark, and then we have a link to the 4-H Fair right there on the front page.